Half the year is already gone. How is our performance right now compared to what we planned back in January? Are you on track? Are you behind? Are you in front? More importantly, do you know? Hello, I'm Clive Enever, business strategist, and today I want to help you take a moment, take a deep breath, pause, and reflect on whether your business plan is working for you or against you. Too often, we make a business plan, we put it in the bottom drawer, and we never look back on it. But business is dynamic, and the plan is all about keeping you on track. Many people think that because business is dynamic, they need to change the plan or ignore the plan because what's happening is different to what was in the plan. Well, typically, if you made your plan correctly, what you've done is you've moved away from what the plan required, and now you're doing something completely different. But business is dynamic. What was working 6 months ago might not be what you're doing now. Reviewing the plan is to ensure you're staying on the right course and that you haven't moved away from what the plan said you would be doing. Let's break it down into two clear questions. What's working that you should keep doing, or perhaps even double down on? What's not working? How do you fix it or let it go? Here are the key areas I recommend reviewing right now. Revenue and profitability. Are your numbers on track and in line with your forecasts? Are you attracting the right clients? The ones that love what you do, pay you, and stay long term. Marketing performance. Is your message still resonating? Are your channels, email, social media, networking, still bringing in qualified leads? Operations and delivery. Are your systems still working effectively? Is your team delivering on promises without burnout? Goals and strategy alignment. Are you still heading in the direction you intended, or have you shifted from your market? Here's the good news. You don't need to rewrite your entire plan. You just need to tune it. Let me share a quick framework you can use today. I call it keep, fix, drop. So what do we keep? We keep those things which are going well. We keep those things that are aligned with our goals, and we keep doing what's delivering the right result with ease. What do you fix? Perhaps you have something which is underperforming. Perhaps you have a process that needs attention, or you need to delegate better, or perhaps you need more support. And what can be dropped? Something that's ineffective, outdated, or simply feels heavy and makes the business clumsy. And sometimes it's okay to let go of a strategy that used to work, but no longer delivers. Being ruthless about what to stop doing is often the most liberating in this process. Here's your challenge for this week. Sit down for 60 minutes with your business plan and ask, what will I keep? What will I fix? And what will I drop? Then update your plan to reflect the next 90 days. Business isn't about being perfect. It's about getting better, step by step. And every time you reflect, review, and refine, you become a more focused, more powerful business owner. If you'd like the free worksheet I created to help with this review, click the link in the description. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. I'm Clive Enever, business strategist, and I'm here to help you build the business that supports the life you want.